Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. In this video, we want to show you how to find trades using the normal alert. I'll show you one setup where you get an alert on the larger time frame, and as soon as you get there, the smaller time frame, and then we can show you some re-entry points. The next one we're going to show you is where you get an alert on a larger time frame, and you have to wait for the setup on a smaller time frame. So right here we have a 4-hour chart, and we have an alert, and so we're going to go to a 30-minute and see if there's an entry signal there. And we see that on this one there is an entry signal, so if we would take a trade there, then we can see if it's going to be profitable or not. So we're going to hit the F12 key and move across just so you can see what would have taken place. Now there's signs right there that you may want to be getting out of that trade, and it went back against you a little bit, and then another entry signal, and right there is time to get out. So on the first one, if you'd gotten in and out, you would have made about 40 pips on that one. This one would have been over 100 pips before you got some exit signals. This is looking at a larger time frame, then timing your entries on a smaller time frame. Another way you could have handled this one is because the larger time frame, the 4-hour, was telling you that the trend was going down. You could have just stayed in and withstood this little bit of a drawdown and then re-entered. So then you'd have two trades going in that direction. So that would have been a way you could get some additional pips. Now let's go look at our next example. Right here again on a 4-hour chart, we see an alert going off. And so now let's go look at the 30-minute to see if there are any entry signals. On this 30-minute chart, we don't see any entry signals at this point. The market said on the 4-hour said it was going down, but you had to wait until the 30-minute gave you the signal to go down. Then you're trading the direction of that trend. So we move across a few using the F12 key, and here's a signal that said that you can take a short trade there. And it turned out to be a really nice move on that 4-hour chart, giving you the heads up, and the 30-minute giving you the entry signal. Now I want to show you another 4-hour alert. This is the last one we just did right here, and it turned out to be a really nice little move. How did we know why to take this? That's part of our course. The thing we're talking about now is how the alerts can help you to find trades, and it can help you to stay out of trades as well. We see right here that it gave us a short signal, and you can see this is a nice uptrend on the 4-hour. So let's go to the 30-minute, and you can actually see the alert came clear back here. So you want to wait until there's fresh alerts coming after the larger time frame gives you the signal. And so there were some pips to be made right there, but there were no signals saying to get in because you were trading against the major trend, and it's okay to trade against the trend and do those counter trend trades. Don't expect many pips, but if they don't get any signals, don't be jumping in. You want to wait until you get the signals, like on this example where the 4-hour said there was something going down, and you go to the 30-minute in a short period of time, and there was a little move of the 30-minute going down, and that turned out to be a really nice trade there. So this is how you can use the alerts to find trades and how to keep you out of trades.